Hey, what's up? You know, I have been testing POCO M4 Pro for almost a month now. Overall, it is very good budget smartphone. However, like the other mobile devices, it should have the drawbacks. Let's talk about pros and cons of the new POCO smartphone. By the way, this is the 5th video about POCO M4 Pro. You can watch unboxing, performance test, battery test and camera test videos by the links in description. We welcome new subscribers to our channel Tech Brothers, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications about the new videos. First, I like the design of POCO M4 Pro. You know, all the smartphones from POCO have a unique design, especially the rear panel. Here we can see a big POCO logo and camera module. There is now a fingerprint reader on the back, because it is located on the right side. Another feature of POCO M4 Pro is dual speaker. There is the first speaker at the bottom and the second speaker at the top. The sound quality is very good. You know, the new POCO smartphone has 3.5mm audio jack. It may be an advantage for some people, but not for me. I haven't used an audio jack for a long time. However, the good thing is microSD slot. You can use a memory card to expand the internal storage. The display of POCO M4 Pro is very good. It is big, bright and clear. A diagonal is 6.6 inches, a resolution is Full HD+, and a screen refresh rate is 90 Hz. It is a pleasure to watch videos and play games on this display. Talking about games, the performance of the smartphone is good for most Android apps. I didn't find any problems with PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, Call of Duty and other games on POCO M4 Pro. By the way, the smartphone has the new Dimensity 810 chipset with 5G support. The score in Antutu is about 252,000 points. I think it is a very good result for a mobile device under $200. You know, POCO M4 Pro has only dual camera on the rear panel. However, I really like the combination of a 50MP main sensor and 8MP ultra-wide-angle sensor. On the front panel there's another 16MP sensor. You can take very good photos and videos on the new POCO smartphone. The camera is definitely an advantage of this mobile device. POCO M4 Pro also has a good battery capacity of 5000 mAh, as well as long battery life, 11 hours and 44 minutes screen time, and very fast charging support, 33 Watt. The full battery charge takes only 1 hour and 7 minutes. That's very good. You will not believe it, but I recently tested another smartphone and it was charging for more than 4 hours. That was terrible. Fortunately, POCO M4 Pro has fast charging support. You know, this is the first time I haven't found any flaws in the smartphone. Everything is good about this mobile device, including design, display, performance, camera and battery. I am surprised, but I really can't find a single drawback. If you already have POCO M4 Pro, please write in the comments below what you don't like in it. Thank you for watching this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.